Success Principle series. What are we talking about today? Value added resources for you, your life, your business. Today we are talking about worry. What is worry? Worry is a negative energy. Get rid of negative energy. One negative thought will bring hundreds of its cousin. It's a chain reaction. And why do you want any negative reaction in your life, for your business, or in general, any success? It doesn't serve any purpose. Just do your part, leave rest to the higher source. Everything will be okay. Why even I'm talking about worry? I'll just elaborate more later. When I was really young, my mom always told me, hope for the best. Yeah, just hope the best is going to happen, but be prepared for the worst. What is the worst is going to happen in any situation? And most of the time, whatever outcome, whatever result, it's going to be in between. It is neither the best nor the worst. It is generally in between. And in so many years of my life, I realized that not even once the worst scenario ever happened, but I was prepared for it. That's why when I was going through that particular situation, it didn't bother me because I was prepared for the worst. I was hoping for the best. And yeah, my mom was right. Most of the times the things happened were in between. Many times even the best happened because I was hoping, I was expecting, and that is what it happened. But the worst never happened, but I was prepared for it. What does dictionary say about worry? Webster says it is the possibility of anticipated misfortune or trouble. Again, that is a negative thinking. We have to get rid of negative thinking, because when you want to achieve something great, you have to have calm mind. Then only you can focus. If you are worrying, you cannot have calm mind and you cannot focus. Then how will you achieve great things in your life? It is not possible. That's why getting rid of worry is so important. Many times, actually, in many cultures, people think that worry means you are caring for somebody or you are loving that person. Yeah, because I heard actually many times even moms saying to yeah, their kids' dads that, how come you don't worry about your son? Look at him, how he's behaving. So they always considered that worry is equivalent to care or love. Actually, worry is not equivalent to care or love. Worry is equivalent to concern. Yeah, when you concern about someone, you worry. But when you are concerned, you are there to find the solution, because whenever you are concerned, you are looking for the solution for the situation. But worry is not basically either care or love, it is concern. And when you are concerned, you are going to look for the solution, right? But if you're too much worried about anything, about your future or about your loved one, that clearly tells that you don't believe in your future, you don't believe in the higher source, you don't believe in your loved one, you don't have enough faith in your loved one, and that's why you keep on worrying. Have some belief, have some faith, and then things will happen. Because if you're worrying too much, that clearly tells that you don't have that much of faith. Yeah, I totally understand. Yeah, it is natural many times basically to worry, but don't get carried away with the worry. You do your part and leave rest to the higher source. Things will happen. Things will happen and they will be good for you, because worry is not going to provide any solution anyway, because it is going to make things worse. Because whenever you are actually surrounded by negative energy, how positive things are going to happen? Means the negative is not going to attract positive things. Means the magnetism doesn't work here. The laws of nature are like positive attracts positive. So you have to be thinking about positive things, positive outcome, then only you will get positive results. So yeah, it is okay to be concerned about something, but don't worry too much, because excessive worry is like generalized anxiety disorder. Why do you want to have any disorder? Any negative energy is bad for your physical health and mental health. You're not going to produce any good food, any good produce with negative seed. It is not possible. So just get rid of all the negative energy in your life. Do your part. Yeah, it is okay to be concerned, but look for the solution. Pray, believe in the higher source, do your part, and please, don't worry. Get rid of all the negative energy. See, all this channel is really dedicated for people to have free information, free coaching for their success. Yeah, we are also providing lots of value added resources for you to succeed in your life and in your business. You get organized, everything. But you have to do your part, because all other things, yeah, they will help you. But when you do your part, when you have positive attitude, things will start happening in your life positively. We are there to provide you all kinds of help possible. Please let us know what other topics we want to cover. We are there to help you. We just want you to succeed, and God bless. Thank you.